Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear search history on YouTube. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share this video if you find it helpful. Shout out to my 710 subscribers. I really appreciate your support. Without further delay, let's get started. Go to YouTube. Now click on the YouTube account menu icon. Click on Settings. Click on Manage All History. Choose the email account that is connected to your YouTube account. Wait for a moment. Now click on Delete. Click on Delete All Time. Wait for a moment. Confirm the action by clicking on Delete. And boom friends, with that, your YouTube search history will be completely cleared. That is all for this tutorial friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel and share to others. Thank you so much for watching.